Rag in the building. Up at work on the oil plant. Going to do some oil removal today up in New Jersey. I'm going to be here for maybe a month, 6 months. First time actually working on an oil plant. It's crazy here. A lot of dangerous stuff though. This is my crew up front. And I've always wanted to work in one of these actually. I've always been intrigued. We're about to clean one of those tanks right there. I keep dropping my hard hat. These are my boys here. We're going to work. My crew. I wonder if we're gonna go up there and do something. New Jersey. We're doing it.